Welcome back everybody to this new and exciting part of my project, because I got mail. Today I got a box with all the good stuff I need. As you can see, here's all the parts laid out on the table. Beautiful, as you can expect in a workshop. I have to say, BMW goes to extra length when it comes to their instruction manual. I mean, these are for the handguards. It's just page in and page out. Actually, let's see. It's, yeah, not marked. Try this one. Well, 20 pages, and then there's 4 that's not marked. 20 pages of instruction manual to install the handguards. I mean, that's kind of overkill, isn't it? However, these look pretty nice compared to the old ones. I'll actually get the old ones for comparison. So, here's the old one. You can probably see it here. All these stripes and everything going around here, they go all the way through, so I can still see them here. Anyway, I'll install these today. I have a new clutch wire. The old one was rusty and not looking good. My rear light is cracked, so I got a new one. It was cheap enough. All this is from, well, almost all this is from a website called Motorworks. I think it's UK based. At least I paid in pounds, which, by the way, if you're Scandinavian, it's not a good time to buy right now. Got some styling stuff for the brake fluid reservoir. Open it right away. Ooh, that's actually quite good looking. The OEM brake fluid reservoir isn't very nice to look at. Just some random bits and pieces for the head covers, gasket for the head covers. Probably broken at this point. And we got some new brake pads, front and rear. The ones that was on was not in good condition. I will change the tires because I checked the date marks on the tires and they're dated back to 2002 and 2003, I think it was. So it's about time. I do, however, think it verifies the mileage of the bike since they haven't changed tires in 18 years. And back to this, we got some clips, some bolts, and yeah, you'll see. So yeah, that's my plan for today. Install as much as possible. Probably starting with the easy stuff like this, and nice stuff like this, and this. Yeah, let's just do it.
I can hurt you like you hurt me too. like you hurt me too, me too. like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, ripped it apart. We're letting go, ripped it apart. I can hurt you like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, ripped it apart. We're letting go, ripped it like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, ripped it apart. We're letting go, ripped it apart. I can hurt you like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, ripped it apart. We're letting go, ripped it apart. I can hurt you like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, ripped it apart. We're letting go, ripped it
Alright, so that's brakes changed and filters and new parts installed, all good stuff. But the tires needs to be changed. They are almost 18 years old, or actually one of them are 18 years old, which, I mean, I think it's a good thing, as this bike has only gone 24,000 kilometers, and by looking at the bike, it looks like it's been, you know, going further. Or that's what I thought when I started, you know, taking it apart stuff. But yeah, tires like these you get, I don't know, maybe 10,000, a little bit more kilometers out of. I'm not sure how hard these are or anything, but let's say roughly 10,000 kilometers. It hasn't gone that for, yeah, 18 years. That's not much running, is it? So I guess that's a good thing. It's probably run out 2 sets of tires, that's it. The original ones, and this is probably the second set of tires on the bike. It's time for a third one. So I will swap them out to some Anarchy Street. And yeah, let's get to it. I'll show you the cracks and the dates and everything.